Okay student, today we'll start the rest questions of jeemain 2021. Question number 5. Two vertical poles are 150 meter apart and the height of one is 3 times that of the other. Okay. If from the middle point of the line joining their feet, an observer finds the angles of elevation of their tops to be complementary, then find the height of the shorter pole. This is the longest pole and this is the shorter pole, and distance between their feet is 150 meter. This is the middle point of this line. That means from O is the middle point, BO is the 75 meter and OC is the 75 meter. From the O, this one is the longer pole. Top of the longer pole angle of elevation is theta, and top of the shorter pole angle of elevation is 90 minus theta, because these two angles are complementary. In triangle ABO, tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base, that means 3h by 75, and in triangle DCO, tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base, that means 75 by h. So from 1 and 2, both left sides are equal, so their right side will equal. That means 3h by 75 is equal to 75 by h. By cross multiplication, 3h square is equal to 75 into 75. That means h square is equal to 75 into 75 by 3. 75 into 25. So 75 into 25 whole root over is equal to 25 root 3 meter. Then we will go to the question number 6. A man is walking on a straight line. The arithmetic mean of the reciprocal of the intercept of this line on the coordinate axis is 1 by 4. Okay. Three stones A, B and C are placed at the points 1, 1, 2, 2 and 4, 4 respectively. Then which of these stones is or are on the path of the man? Man is walking on a straight line. The arithmetic mean of the reciprocal of the intercept of this line. That means, suppose man is walking in this straight line, and here x intercept is A and y intercept is B. That means this point of coordinates is A comma 0 and this is 0 comma B. Suppose this P, H comma K lie on this straight line. Arithmetic mean of the intercept, here x intercept is A and y intercept is B. So their arithmetic mean, that means average 1 by A, arithmetic mean of the reciprocal. So that's why we are taking 1 by A plus 1 by B whole divided by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. So by cross multiplication it will come 1 by A plus 1 by B is equal to 2 into 1 by 4, that means 1 by 2. So 1 by A plus 1 by B is equal to 1 by 2. And also we know that slope intercept formula is, and we also know that the intercept formula is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Then A from 1, multiply these two in the left side, that means 2 by A plus 2 by B is equal to 1. Comparing these 2 and 3, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. So line passes through the fixed point is 2 comma 2. Then we will go to the question number 7. The function f of x is equal to 4x cube minus 3x square whole divided by 6. Minus 2 sin x plus 2x minus 1 whole into cos x, and f dash x is equal to 4 into derivative of x cube is 3x square minus 3 into x square derivative is 2x whole divided by 6, minus 2 into sin x derivative is cos x plus this is u into v form, so 2x minus 1 whole into cos x derivative is minus sin x plus cos x into 2x minus 1 derivative is 2. Okay. Then 4 into 3x square is 12x square minus 6x whole divided by 6 minus 2 cos x plus minus into plus is minus, so sin x into 2x minus 1 plus 2 cos x. Then taking common 6 from the numerator, it will be 2x square minus x by 6 minus 2x minus 1 whole into sin x. 6 will cancel. From here we will take common x, so it will be 2x minus 1 minus 2x minus 1 whole into sin x. From the total we will take common 2x minus 1, that means it will be x minus sin x. Okay. That implies f dash x greater than equal 0. X belongs to 1 by 2 to infinity, because 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 1 by 2. And here it will be, then f dash x less than equal to 0, x belongs to infinity to 1 by 2. That means it increases when x lie in 1 by 2 to infinity. Close interval. Question number 8. A scientific committee is to be formed from 6 Indians and 8 foreigners, which includes at least 2 Indians and double the number of foreigners as Indians. Then the number of ways the committee can be formed. It is given that scientific committee is to be formed from 6 Indian, total 6 Indian and 8 foreigner, which include at least 2 Indians. That means we will make a team. There will be 2 Indians and double the number of foreigners. That means at least 2 Indians means we can take 2 Indians, 3 Indians, 4 Indians. Okay, if we are taking 2 Indians, then number of foreigners will be 4, because it is given that double the number of foreigners. That's why we have taken that 2 Indians, 4 foreigners. If we are taking that 3 Indians, 6 foreigners, or 4 Indians, 8 foreigners. That means we are selecting 2 Indians from the total number of 6 Indians. 6C2 into 8C4 plus 6C3 into 8C6 and 4 Indians, 6C4 into 8C8. 6C2 is 6 factorial by 6 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 8C4 is 8 factorial by 8 minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial. 6C3 is 6 factorial by 6 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 8C6 is 8 factorial by 8 minus 6 factorial into 6 factorial plus 6C4 is 6 factorial by 6 minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial into 8C8 is 8 factorial by 8 minus 8 factorial into 8 factorial is equal to 6 factorial by 6 minus 2 factorial is 4 factorial into 2 factorial into 8 factorial by 4 factorial into 4 factorial plus 6 factorial by 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 8 factorial by 2 factorial into 6 factorial plus 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 4 factorial into 8 factorial by 0 factorial into 8 factorial. So now 8 factorial and 6 factorial cancelled, were left 7 into 8, and here a 6 factorial cancel. Here when the 4 factorial and 6 factorial will cancel on the numerator, what will left? 5 into 6, by in the denominator only 2 factorial left, that means 1 into 2 into it will be till the 4 factorial it will cancel, that means 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 will be left on the numerator. By 4 factorial it will be 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 plus here 3 factorial cancel, that means 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 by 1 into 2 into 3, and this for this 2 factorial it will be 1 into 2, and here 4 factorial and 8 factorial will cancel, what will left in the numerator? 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 by for this 2 factorial 1 into 2 into 7 into 8, 7 into 8, 7 into 8 cancel, and this 2 into 3 6 cancel, 2 4 8 cancel, and here 2 into 3 6 cancel, 284 cancel, that means 5 into 5 into 6 into 7 it became 1050 plus 4 into 5 into 7 into 4 it became 560, 5 into 3 15, then when we will add it will come 1625. Now we will go to the question number 9. The system of the linear equation 3x minus 2y minus kz is equal to 10, 2x minus 4y plus 6z is equal to 6. That means when we are taking common 2, it will become x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. And third equation is x plus 2y minus 3z is equal to 5x is consistent if we know that first we will calculate by the Cramer's rule. Delta is equal to 3 2, this is the plus 2y, 3 2 minus k, then 1 minus 2 3, then 1 2 minus 3, then we are expanding along the second row, 1 whole into minus 6 plus 2k is equal to 0, 2k is equal to 6, k is equal to 3, and delta x is equal to, in place of x coordinate we are taking this right hand element, that means 10 3 minus 10 3 5m, 2 minus 2 2 minus 3, k value is 3, so that's why there is minus k, so it will become minus 3 3 minus 3. When we will expand, it will come 0. Delta y 3 10 minus 3 1 3 3 1 5m minus 3. When you will expand, it will be 6 whole into 7 minus 10m. And delta z will be in the z column, means in the third column we will take that right side b part, that means 3 1 1 2 minus 2 2 10 3 5m, so it will be 4 whole into 7 minus 10m. That means hence k is equal to 3, but m is not equal to 7 by 10. Okay.